Have you ever read the back of your shampoo bottle, the ingredients label? There's probably 20 different words that I don't know how to say, pronounce, I don't know what they are, and it looks like a toxic soup that I'm about to put on my head. Considering your scalp is the most vascular part of skin on your body and it absorbs everything, I don't think putting this on it is a good idea. So this led me to take on a no-poo lifestyle many years ago. That means giving up all traditional hair products to get rid of all the chemicals in your life. I think it's important for anyone, any type of hair you have. If you happen to have curly hair, like mine, it's just very dry, and so it's hard to take care of anyway. So going no-poo, I really think it makes it more manageable and healthier in the end, but it does take some adjusting. For about a month, it's going to take some time to adjust and go through phases, but I do think it's worth it in the end. If you do happen to have or know someone that has curly hair, just as a side note, I think it's always great to read the Curly Girl Handbook. It's just a fun, quick read that offers support for all the frustrations you go through if you have dry, curly hair. But no matter what you have, I think it's great to make your own products. Have you ever made your own shampoo? I have. I've tried probably every recipe online, so I'll save you some time. A lot of them contain coconut milk, which I don't find very realistic, and I don't think it's really great. It tends to go bad in the shower, and it even goes bad in the fridge. My favorite recipe, I put just right on the label so I don't forget and keep in the shower, is a 1/4 cup each of glycerin and aloe. I use organic. 1/2 cup water and some essential oils, maybe 10 to 20 drops. My favorite essential oils for hair, skin, scalp is cedarwood, ylang ylang, or lavender. And then it smells good too. If you don't have any of these ingredients or just want to be really simple, what'll work in a pinch is most people have some sort of aloe vera gel in the house. Just put it in a container. If you put essential oils in it, it's best to be in glass. Keep it in the fridge. Take out a blob and feel free to be generous, rub it in your scalp, coat your hair, wash it off. It's really soothing and cooling, and I think it works well. I will make some follow-up videos on conditioner, oils, gels, but shampoo is the starting point, and it's a piece of cake. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.